Mm, it's a good angle. Wait. Okay, but I'm a real spot. So today we're gonna be reacting to supercar crashes. Supercar crashes. Yes, as you can see at the background. See, no, not here background and the screen background. See, there's already like a Formula Bugatti. Let's just get straight into it. So let's just make it smaller. So remember, I am there. There you go. Let's do for the first one. Bro, Mustang. Supercar fails. Okay. Best of June 2021. Oh, Maserati going crazy.
I fucking told you he's gonna max. I fucking told you.
Oh, did you just hit that 350Z?
Race with their ego.
Okay, there we go. We have a dog. That's a Mustang. R.I.P. Mustang. Wait. So, by the way, you have a nice car, but stupid drivers. By the way, yes, let's go. Let's keep on going. What the freak, man? Don't you see? There's a Ferrari. Like the time froze. Look at a Beetle car. Oh, Lily's like, oh my God! Did I just hit a Ferrari? Oh, that's a. Did you just pull that Huracan Evo out of nowhere in the bushes? The question is, how did it get there? Of course, like, of course it crashed. I know. How? Is the driver okay, by the way? Okay, we have some cool 4 GTs and a Ferrari. Oh my God. Bro, what happened? The Ferrari okay, by the way? Oh, McLaren got on fire. Bro. What? I've seen this video already. Like a Ferrari. Yeah. I've already seen this video. Like the engine is very wrecked up. I don't think you can fix that, man. I mean, if you want to fix that car, I mean, the repair shop could just buy a brand new for like a McLaren for you. Nobody can fix that.
Sir, you can't park there.
He can't park. He did not park. He crashed his Corvette. Bish, Corvette, hot again and all. What is that car? I can't see, but it forms like a Lamborghini or something. I mean, the light, I can't really see the light. Oh, Ferrari. Yes. Oh! Ferrari kinda getting crazy there. Huh? Okay, I don't know what this language is. Ferrari and a crash. Bro! What? Oh, I thought it was... That looks like a Mustang, but it ain't a Mustang. It's a Ferrari, man. Or that was really a Ferrari. I've never seen that Ferrari before, though. Bro, stupid truck.
We're like a bad place.
I mean, yours is not really that good. I mean, if I have a yours, I mean, it's okay for me, but it's not really like that cool as like an event. By the way, that's not really like a cool car, but the BMW. Why are you crashing those? No, not the place, not the Porsche and the McLaren. No, that's an SL. Bentley. No, the Porsche. Oh, a Veloster? No. That's his Kayla's infiniteless favorite car, a McLaren. If Infinite Kayla saw this video, sorry man. Come on. Stop breaking up supercars, bish. So, oh my gosh.
Learn to never park on San Francisco streets overnight.
That's why you don't park overnight. Yeah, somebody like trying to steal Lamborghini Gallardo. Is that a Miata? That's not a Miata, that's a Corvette. Hit and run! Bro, that's hit and run. He just hit another, You know what hit and run is? Is currently like you hit a car and just drive away like that, like and bump. Oh, look at that guy! Like, hold on, hold on, hold on. That's your. He ain't dead though. He ain't dead. Keep on doing donuts. Come on. By the way, how much horsepower is that? Even though when he does a full throttle, he just slips out. He hit and run, and like the camera guy is running. Oh, there you go. Stupid driver. I can't really see much. But I'm gonna turn on the aircon a little bit. There you go. It's very hot in here. I just, oh man, it's a cool Lambo. What? How is there a stick? Oh, bro. How did that happen? My question is, how did that happen? By the way, how did it happen? Oh, you gotta buy a brand new. Oh, and Mustang and a Civic EK, bro. Bish, that motorcycle's fault. That is the motorcycle's fault. Okay, is that a Mustang? Ah, that's his fault. No, he is angry. That's his fault. Close the window, Mustang. Close the window, because there are Karens. Close the window, or just drive away. It's motorcycle's fault, so it's not. Let me turn on. Bro, stupid. That's what you call stupidness. Okay. I don't really protect one of them, just.
Please, clear from the road, please.
Bro. That is very messed up. I can't even guess what car. Okay, now I can guess it.
fucking center a little too fucking hard, bud.
Wait, the Ferrari ain't. The Ferrari is fine. Oh, Huracan. I thought that was like a piece of stick, but it's just a. Oh, that's fast Huracan though. Oh, bro, what? How did a Huracan? But wait, by the way, how does a Huracan slip out like that? How? How does that even slip out? Lamborghinis are all-wheel drive. They're not like in drift mode or something, or like rear-wheel drive. I mean, they were trying to prove me wrong, but most Lamborghinis are like all-wheel drive. And like, how did it slip out? Did you try to like, Arab drifting or something? Yeah, Arab drift. What you call that? A Huracan. Evo. Is that an Evo or just a normal Huracan? Let's just go. It's just a normal Huracan. Did he really crash into a tree or something in a curb? Or not? Or what happened? It's an Audi. Bro, what happened? What happened to your Audi? Or what car is that? That ain't a cool car. It's just an everyday car. Oh, frick. Oh no. How did that's a Bugatti. Okay, the last clip was a Bugatti, but that was insane. Who would, bro? Yeah, I would commit a suicide if that was me, and that like. How many times I've kept on seeing that Bugatti crash?
On his back.
Ferrari? It's not GTA 5. Yeah. Okay, it's a Ferrari because we can already see the color. Okay, let's see how fast does that go. Hyundai up. I mean, by the way, wait. When you crash in a racetrack, you're not insured. So, good luck paying for that, buddy. Yeah, boy. Good luck. So, bum. And the camera fall out of the car. Huh? He's like confused. What happened? Yours. Oh. Jeffree Star. Yours? Bro. Oh. That almost hit the camera guy. The people Those people who dodged that is a miracle. And now we have an Audi R8. How is that on fire? You did not even turn that on yet. How did it overheat very fast? Huh? And he's just like, nah, don't
Go get some water, quick!
water. Are you British or something? Did you really? Oh, good thing a fire extinguisher. Safety first. I'm kind of sweating because my aircon. Sorry for that. Wear a mask so that you won't get COVID-19. There's a dog barking. Very safe, very safe. United Kingdom. Yes. Lamborghini Aventador burns Audi R8. There's nothing wrong. Bro. Okay, guys, I think that's it. I think we've seen too many car crashes. I mean, millions of dollars died during this video. So, please like this video and subscribe just to support their cars. Not really, because they're stupid drivers. They're not. Some of them are not stupid. Yeah. So, hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to see some more reaction videos, then subscribe. What did I just did? Then subscribe if you want to see some more reacting videos. See you guys next video. Peace.